Hey friends, welcome back to part 2 of my 4th of July clean and decorate. In today's video, I'm giving you a little bit of cleaning motivation. I'm showing you a few of the new pieces that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I'm also giving you some Americana farmhouse decor styling ideas. So if you're ready, grab a snack and let's jump right in. We are starting at the front door where I am using my Method all-purpose cleaner in the scent Honeycrisp Apple to wipe down the front door. Then I am going to hang this wreath that I was able to create using the leftover red, white, and blue flowers from the kitchen. And then we are going to head out onto the porch. If this is your first time to my channel or you just happen to stumble across this video, I wanted to welcome you and introduce myself. My name is Ashley. I love making homemaking, lifestyle, and mommy videos. I would love to know any requests you guys have for videos down in the comments down below. I love doing the decorating, but we will have a short period between summer and fall where I can create more like day in the life or morning routines. So if any of that sounds interesting to you guys, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear what you guys would like to see. This black and white rug that I am placing down first is from Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description box down below. And the Hello Sunshine is from Aldi. Next, we are in the dining room. I'm just wiping everything down. I'm getting ready so that I can show you a few of the new pieces I picked up from Dollar Tree.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't sleep without you. And every wall is getting close, and I don't know what to do. Can't you save my soul? Can't you save my soul? Can't you mend my heart?
Okay guys, here are the things that I picked up from Dollar Tree. It was just a super quick trip because I knew all I really needed was this burlap ribbon. They didn't have this at the Dollar Tree near my house, so I went to a different one. And when I was there, I found some really cute plates and napkins that we can use for 4th of July. I needed that jar for my baking soda. I needed some more floral foam because I originally had an arrangement here on this table, but it wasn't staying upright, so I needed to grab some more of that. The straws were so adorable. I was so happy when I found those. But I also found these super cute ribbons. I don't know if I'm going to add them to the wreaths that I want to hang in the kitchen or what I want to do with them yet, but they were so cute, so I just grabbed them anyways. I couldn't decide between the red, white, and blue and the red, blue, and burlap, so I just grabbed them both. I figure even if I don't use them this year, maybe I could use them next year. And then I just needed one more of the white and yellow roses, so that was pretty much it. It was a quick trip. Now let's use this stuff and start decorating.
Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly.
If you've never used floral foam before, I really recommend it, especially from Dollar Tree. It is only $1, and you see how I can actually take the faux flowers and they just stand completely upright. It's just such an easy hack and just makes your arrangements like another level. They're just absolutely beautiful with the floral foam, and it's actually what a lot of professionals use. So if you've never tried it before, I definitely recommend it. If you do, let me know what you think. So if you're new here, you may not know I have an obsession with Christmas, and one of my favorite things is Christmas in July. So I asked you guys over on Instagram, do you think I should do a Christmas in July? Do a video. I thought it would be super fun. I've seen Love Meg do it before, and I absolutely loved it. So if that is something that you guys would be interested in seeing, please let me know in the comments down below. Do you want to see like a 4th of July tree? Do you want to see just like a neutral tree? And also, where would you like to see it? Would you like to see it in the dining room, or would you like me to set it up with some garland in the front room? So let me know your thoughts down below.
'cause I know, oh, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble.
Before we go any further, I just wanted to show you, this is what we have left of the decor. Some ribbons and some flags. I've got a bunch of wreaths. We have this beautiful wicker tray. This my mom got from Home Goods. I think it was $19.99. Let's see. Yep, $19.99. So you could pick that up if you have a Home Goods near you. And I'm also going to use this in the corner as well. That matches my piece that's in the living room. And then I'm gonna see if I can style these as well. I thought maybe because the roses have pink in them that it might go. So we'll kind of play it by ear, see how it goes. And then yeah, I think what I'm gonna do next is fill this basket with the pillow, start setting this piece up, and then we will do the dining room table next.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah.
All of these American flags are from Dollar Tree. I'm also using the floral foam at the bottom of the vase to help keep them upright. These American flags are such a great and affordable way from Dollar Tree to add that Americana look and decor to your home on a budget.
There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chase.
For this chair, I originally thought I was going to drape a blanket over it, but I actually love the way that this extra flag left over from Dollar Tree looks with the throw pillow. So if you guys like it, let me know what you think. And then I am also going to add this little sign from Whiskey Sky's Boutique onto this little side table. I still wanted to make it so that if somebody sat here with a drink, it was still functional, but I will have that boutique listed in the description box down below.
I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight.
I placed a really large order on the Grove Collaborative. If you guys would like to try out Grove for yourself, I'll have that linked down below as well. You guys will get a free set when you join. And I tried that Caldrea spray. Oh my god, you guys, it really does live up to the hype. It smelled so good. It reminds me of like laying out on the beach in the summer, which I felt like was just so perfect for the 4th of July, because it is what so many of us Americans do, right? Like we go boating, we barbecue. So with this Hawaiian candle and the Caldrea spray, oh my god, you guys, even the kids walked in and they were like, "Mommy, this smells so good."
I can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how.
Now we are headed into the kitchen where I am going to wipe down these doors, get them fresh and clean so that we can hang the wreaths over the door. This is Bianca. She's my littlest. She's 5 if you're not familiar with her, and she is so cute. She loves decor as much as I do. So right now she came in and she was trying to help me make sure that the wreath was centered. Now we are just taking these 4th of July straws and adding them to this jar from Whisky Skies. Alright guys, and that is pretty much it for the video. I am just going to add those ribbons to the wreaths in the kitchen, and I wanted to let you guys know that Monday's video will be a 4th of July home tour. So if you are interested, make sure you check back. That will be at 10 a.m. and I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!